point in showing that portion of the video is this. To the naked eye, you might see all white people. Everybody's white. But that's not true. You got Asians out there. You got a black person out there. And that's a great thing. That's what this country can be. It's okay that we're different. Why do some of you motherfuckers want everybody to be the same? That dilutes the country. That fucks the country up and shit. We're supposed to be different. We're supposed to look different. And it's okay. The fact that some of you motherfuckers want everybody to look and act the same, that says to me that you have something wrong with you. Like psychologically, you have something wrong in your brain. And you could go to all the colleges in the world. You can have all the degrees in the motherfucking world. That's not gonna change that. You got women out here playing too. If it was a football, if they was throwing a football around, it'd be more physical. So on that premise, I would agree. But the overall premise is this: we can get along if we want to get along. The problem is we need to get rid of the motherfuckers that don't want to get along. We need to get the motherfuckers out of every community. Who the fuck told you that if you want to get rid of racism, just create more racism? Who the fuck told you that? That had to be the most stupid, retarded motherfucker to ever walk this planet and shit. And as I watch this motherfucker, it's not my thing. I'm more of a rough and tumble guy, you know what I'm saying? You got the football, we gonna break you in half. That's my thing, but I watch these dudes play, and it's like so many different nationalities playing. It's brings me to the microcosm of America. Why is America so fucked up? Because there's too many stupid people running it. You mean to tell me that it's a bad thing to be peaceful? Look at that. A woman just caught a touchdown from a frisbee. But that's a bad thing? So y'all gotta talk to me. What the fuck is going on and shit? What the fuck happened to the mind state and shit? Motherfuckers look at me and be like, you know what? Oh man, the way you look, you get girls, this, that, this and that. Yeah, that's true. But character has a lot to do with it and shit. Do I want the girls that I'm attracting and shit? It's a whole different dynamic that people is just ignoring and not paying attention to. So I ask you out there, why is it so hard? Because I have a permanent suntan, so You don't want to. You don't want to stand next to me because I have a permanent suntan. My permanent suntan bothers you. You trying to. You try to get a suntan every day, but because I have a permanent one that bothers you. Come on now. We can all do better than that in society.